BMW, which stands for Bayerische Motorenwerke AG, Bavarian Motor Works, was officially founded in 1916, making it over a century old. However, its origins trace back to the early 20th century when it manufactured aircraft engines. The company's transition to automobile manufacturing began in the late 1920s with the production of its first car, the BMW 315. As for the company's annual earnings, BMW is one of the world's leading luxury car manufacturers, so its revenue is substantial. In recent years, BMW's annual revenue has ranged from around 80 to 110 billion euros. To convert this into millions of dollars, we need to multiply the euro amount by the exchange rate between euros and dollars. This can fluctuate due to various factors such as currency exchange rates, economic conditions, and BMW's performance in different markets. To delve deeper into BMW's financial performance, we can analyze its revenue sources, including vehicle sales, financial services, and other business segments such as motorcycles and spare parts. Additionally, examining BMW's global market share, sales trends, and competitive landscape provides valuable insights into its financial health and future prospects. In recent years, BMW has invested heavily in research and development to stay competitive in an industry undergoing rapid technological advancements, particularly in electric vehicles, EVs, and autonomous driving technology. These investments are crucial for BMW to maintain its position as a leader in luxury automotive innovation. Furthermore, BMW's financial success is influenced by various external factors such as economic conditions, regulatory changes, consumer preferences, and global market trends. For example, shifts towards electric and autonomous vehicles present both challenges and opportunities for BMW, requiring strategic adaptation to emerging market demands and regulatory requirements. In conclusion, BMW has a rich history spanning over a century, with roots in aircraft engine manufacturing and a transition to producing luxury automobiles. Its annual revenue, which fluctuates based on various factors, ranges from tens to over 100 billion euros. Analyzing BMW's financial performance and market dynamics provides valuable insights into its position in the automotive industry and its future prospects.